Hello everybody, I am Mohammad Azhar Iqbal Nawalgun, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Government First Aid College, Mundargi. This is our 17th and 18th session on interference. Today in this session we are going to solve the problems on session number 9 to 16. Problem. First problem. When wedge-shaped air film is viewed by monochromatic source of light, incident normally, the interference fringes 4 mm apart are observed. If the air space is filled with water, mu is equal to 1.33, how far apart will the fringes be observed? Solution. Given beta is equal to fringe width, beta is equal to 4 mm. That is equal to 4 into 10 raised to minus 3 meters. We know fringe width beta is equal to lambda divided by 2 mu theta. For air, mu is equal to 1. 4 into 10 raised to minus 3 meters is equal to lambda divided by 2 theta. If the air space is filled with water, for water mu is equal to 1.33. Therefore, beta is equal to lambda divided by 2 theta into 1 by mu. That is equal to 4 into 10 raised to minus 3 divided by 1.33. Therefore, beta is equal to 3 into 10 raised to minus 3 meters. That is equal to 3 mm. Second problem. In the Newton's rings experiment, the radius of curvature of a plano-convex lens is 100 cm and a beam of monochromatic source of wavelength 5890 degree angstrom falls normally on it. Find the diameter of fifth and eighth bright rings in the Newton's rings pattern. Solution. Wavelength of the light lambda is equal to 5890 degree angstrom. That is equal to 5890 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeters. The radius of curvature of the plano-convex lens R is equal to 100 centimeter. We have dn square is equal to bracket of 2n plus 1 divided by 2 bracket complete into 4 lambda r. Diameter of the fifth ring d phi square is equal to 2 into 5 plus 1 divided by 2 into 4 into 5890 into 10 raised to minus 8 into 100. That is equal to 5.5 into 4 into 5890 into 10 raised to minus 8 into 100. D phi square is equal to 0.13. D phi is equal to 0.3605 centimeter. The diameter of the fifth bright ring is 0.3605 centimeters. Similarly, for the eighth bright ring, D8 square is equal to 2 into 8 plus 1 divided by 2 into 4 into 5890 into 10 raised to minus 8 into 100. That is equal to 8.5 into 4 into 5890 into 10 raised to minus 8 into 100. D8 square is equal to 0.2. D8 is equal to 0.4472 centimeters. The diameter of the eighth bright ring is 0.4472 centimeters. Problem number 3. In a Newton's ring experiment, the diameter of the fourth and 12th dark rings are 0.400 centimeter and 0.700 centimeter respectively. Reduce the diameter of the 20th ring. Solution. dn and dm are the diameters of the nth and mth ring respectively. Then we have dn square minus dm square is equal to bracket of n minus m bracket complete into 4 lambda r. M is equal to 4 and n is equal to 12. So that dm is equal to d4, that is equal to 0.400, dn is equal to d12, that is equal to 0.700. d12 square minus d4 square is equal to 12 minus 4, bracket of 12 minus 4, bracket complete, into 4 lambda r. Call this as equation number 2. Again putting m is equal to 4 and n is equal to 20, we get d20 square minus d4 square is equal to bracket of 20 minus 4, bracket complete, into 4 lambda r. Call this as equation number 3. Dividing equation 2 by 3, d12 square minus d4 square divided by d20 square minus d4 square is equal to 8 into 4 into lambda r divided by 16 into 4 into lambda r. This can also be written as 0.700 whole square minus of 0.400 whole square divided by d20 square minus of 0.400 whole square is equal to 1 by 2. 0.49 minus of 0.16 divided by d20 square minus 0.16, that is equal to 1 by 2. 0.33 divided by d20 square minus 0.16 is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, 0.66 is equal to d20 square minus 0.16. d20 square is equal to 0.66 plus 0.16, that is equal to 0.82. Therefore, d20 is equal to 0.905 centimeter, the diameter of the 20th ring. Problem number 4. Newton's rings are formed in reflected light of wavelength 6000 degree angstrom with a liquid between the plane and curved surfaces. If the diameter of the sixth bright ring is 3.1 mm and the radius of curvature of the curved surface be 100 cm, calculate the refractive index of the liquid. Solution. The diameter of the nth ring dn square is equal to bracket of 2n minus 1 divided by 2, bracket complete, into 4 lambda r divided by mu. dn square is equal to 2 into bracket 2n minus 1, bracket complete, lambda r divided by mu, or mu is equal to 2 into bracket 2n minus 1, bracket complete, lambda r divided by dn square. N is equal to 6, lambda is equal to 6000 degree angstrom, that is equal to 6000 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeters. R is equal to 100 centimeter. dn is equal to 3.1 mm, that is equal to 0.13 centimeter are the given things. Therefore, mu is equal to 2 into bracket 2 into 6 minus 1, bracket complete, 6000 into 10 raised to minus 8 into 100 divided by 0.31 whole square. That is equal to 2 into 11 into 6000 into 10 raised to minus 8 into 100 divided by 0.0961. That is equal to 1.374. Fifth one. Newton's rings are observed in reflected light of lambda is equal to 5.9 into 10 raised to minus 5 centimeter. The diameter of the 10th dark ring is 0.5 centimeter. Find the radius of curvature of the lens and the thickness of the air film. Solution. Given lambda is equal to 5.9 into 10 raised to minus 5 centimeter. N is equal to 10. Radius of the nth dark ring is given by Rn square is equal to n lambda r. Therefore, the radius of curvature of the lens r is equal to Rn square divided by n lambda. dn is equal to 0.5. Rn is equal to 0.5 divided by 2, that is equal to 0.25. Therefore, r is equal to 0.25 whole square divided by 10 into 5.9 into 10 raised to minus 5. That is equal to 0.0625 into 10 raised to 4 divided by 5.9. That is equal to 0.01059 into 10 raised to 4, or R is equal to 105.9 centimeters. It can be approximately written as 106 centimeters. Therefore, R is equal to 1.06 meters. Thickness of the air film is given by T is equal to n lambda divided by 2. That is equal to 10 into 5.9 into 10 raised to minus 5 divided by 2. That is equal to 29.5 into 10 raised to minus 5. That is equal to 29.5 into 10 raised to minus 5 into 10 raised to minus 2 meters. That is equal to 2.95 into 10 raised to minus 6 meters. That is equal to 2.95 micrometer is the thickness of the air film. Problem number 6. If the diameter of the nth dark ring in an arrangement giving Newton's ring changes from 0.3 cm to 0.25 cm as a liquid is introduced between the lens and the plate, calculate the value of the refractive index of the liquid. Solution. Diameter of the nth dark ring in the presence of air is given by dn square in air is equal to 4n lambda r, and for liquid is given by dn square in liquid is equal to 4n lambda r divided by mu. Therefore, dn square in air divided by dn square in liquid is equal to 4n lambda r divided by 4n lambda r divided by mu. That is equal to mu. Therefore, mu is equal to dn square in air divided by dn square in liquid. That is equal to 0.30 whole square divided by 0.25 whole square. That is equal to 0.09 divided by 0.0625. That is equal to 1.44. Problem number 7. Newton's rings are formed with reflected light of wavelength 5890 degree angstrom using a plano-convex lens and a plain glass plate with a liquid between them. The diameter of the 10th ring is 4.2 millimeters and the radius of curvature of the curved surface of the lens is 1 meter. Find the refractive index of the liquid if the ring is first one dark, second one is the bright. Solution. Given lambda is equal to 5890 degree angstrom, R is equal to 1 meter, that is equal to 100 centimeter. D10 is equal to 4.2 mm, that is equal to 0.42 centimeter. When the ring is dark, then mu is equal to 4n r into lambda divided by dn square. That is equal to 4 into 10 into 100 into 5890 into 10 raised to minus 8 divided by 0.42 whole square. That is equal to 4 into 5890 into 10 raised to minus 5 divided by 0.1764. That is equal to 23,560 into 10 raised to minus 5 divided by 0.1764, or mu is equal to 1,33,560.09 into 10 raised to minus 5, or mu is equal to 1.335. When the ring is bright, then mu is equal to 4 into bracket 2n minus 1 bracket complete r into lambda divided by 2 into dn square. That is equal to 4 into bracket 2 into 10 minus 1 bracket complete into 100 into 5890 into 10 raised to minus 8 divided by 2 into 0.42 whole square. That is equal to 4 into 19 into 100 into 5890 to 10 raised to minus 8 divided by 2 into 0.1764. That is equal to 4,47,64,000 into 10 raised to minus 8 divided by 0.3528. That is equal to 1.268. Problem number 8. In Newton's ring experiment, the diameter of the 10th dark ring due to wavelength 6000 degree angstrom in air is 0.5 centimeter. Find the radius of curvature of the lens. Solution: given d is equal to 0.5 centimeters, r is equal to 0.5 divided by 2, that is equal to 0.25 centimeters. Lambda is equal to 6 into 6000 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeters. Therefore, r is equal to rn square divided by n lambda, that is equal to 0.25 whole square divided by 10 into 6000 into 10 raised to minus 8, that is equal to 0.0625 into 10 raised to 4 divided by 6, that is equal to 0.010466 into 10 raised to 4, that is equal to 104.166 centimeters, or r is equal to 1.04 meters. Problem number 8. In a Newton's ring experiment, the diameter of the 15th ring was found to be 0.590 centimeter, and that of the 5th ring was 0.336 centimeter. If the radius of the plano-convex lens is 100 centimeter, calculate the wavelength of the light used. Given d15 is equal to 0.590 centimeters, d5 is equal to 0.336 centimeters, r is equal to 100 centimeter, m is equal to 5, n is equal to 15, n minus m is equal to 15 minus 5, that is equal to 10. Therefore, lambda is equal to dn square minus dm square divided by bracket of n minus m bracket complete into 4r, that is equal to 0.590 whole square minus of 0.336 whole square divided by 10 into 4 into 100, that is equal to 0.3481 minus of 0.1129 divided by 4000, that is equal to 0.2352 divided by 4000, or that is equal to 0.0588 into 10 raised to minus 3, or it can also be written as lambda is equal to 5880 degree angstrom. Problem number 10. In a Newton's ring experiment, the diameter of the 10th ring changes from 1.40 to 1.27 centimeter when a drop of liquid is introduced between the lens and the glass plate. Calculate the refractive index of the liquid. This is for the 2 marks question. Mu is equal to dn square in air divided by dn square in liquid, that is equal to 1.40 whole square divided by 1.27 whole square, that is equal to 1.96 divided by 1.6125, that is equal to 1.2158. Problem number 11. In a Michelson interferometer, 200 fringes cross the field of view when the movable mirror is moved through 0.0589 millimeter. Calculate the wavelength of the liquid used. This is also for the 2 marks question. Given d is equal to 0.0589 millimeter, that is equal to 0.00589 centimeters. N is equal to 200. Lambda is equal to 2d divided by n, that is equal to 2 into 0.00589 divided by 200, that is equal to 0.00589 into 10 raised to minus 2, or that is equal to 5890 into 10 raised to minus 8 centimeter, or lambda is equal to 5890 degree angstrom. In this session, we have solved the problems from the section number 9 to 16. We have referred the books for this sessions are Textbook of Optics by Brijlal and Subramaniam, Refresher Course in Physics by Arora, Optics by D.S. Mathur. Thank you.